It's what parents and grandparents are talking about. The disturbing findings in a nationwide survey released yesterday by the CDC. According to government researchers, nearly 1 in 3 high school girls reported in 2021 that they seriously considered suicide. Those girls also reported experiencing record levels of violence, trauma, and sadness. The Youth Risk Behavior Survey was given to 17,000 adolescents at high schools all across the country. Tarek Miner is joining us after speaking with a local mental health expert about this research. Tarek?
It really is concerning, Tom. You know, this new CDC survey shows similar results to a youth risk behavior survey released by Duval County Schools last week, showing a rise in feelings of depression and thoughts of suicide among teenagers. A mental health expert that we spoke with today told me the CDC study should be a wake-up call to parents and school administrators that our teenagers are dealing with more outside influences than ever before. According to the CDC study, nearly 3 in 5 high school girls reported feeling sad or hopeless in 2021, representing a 60% increase in these emotions among girls over the past 10 years. The CDC's Youth Risk Behavior Survey also reveals 22% of teenagers seriously considered attempting suicide in the past year, with twice as many female students saying that was the case as male students.
The levels of poor mental health and suicidal thoughts and behaviors reported by teenage girls are now higher than we have ever seen.
Well, it was very disheartening, of course, but I wasn't surprised, I have to say.
Lori Osachi of River Shores Counseling says she thinks social media is playing the biggest role in the increases of hopelessness among teenagers, especially young girls.
Social media is increasingly violent towards women and girls and treats them like objects and forces them to compete in terms of very shallow characteristics like how you look and what your body looks like. And it encourages our boys to treat them like objects, which is unfortunate.
The CDC study also reveals some improvement among teenagers in risky sexual behavior, substance abuse, and bullying, but more students experienced suicidal thoughts and mental health episodes, according to the stats. Also, according to the data, 42% of high school students felt so sad or hopeless almost every day for at least 2 weeks in a row that they stopped their usual activities as a result. Mental health experts say it's important for parents to pay close attention to their child's moods, activities, and friends, and understand what may not be a big deal to parents could push an adolescent over the edge.
I think we've just been under a lot of stress as a society the last several years, and our kids, their brains are not even developed yet.
Duval County, St. Johns County, and Clay County schools all have dedicated resources for students who are in crisis. And they can also utilize the national 988 hotline, which is manned 24 hours a day. You can call or text. Now, Duval County school officials did not release statistics regarding the number of calls that they've received, but the hotline is manned 24 hours a day. Callers can remain anonymous. We've also posted the crisis numbers on this story on news4jax.com for the surrounding counties.